This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Gemini with n8n, full guide. Start by creating a Gemini API key and saving it securely for n8n credential setup. Next, open your n8n editor and install any required nodes. I will walk through creating a simple test workflow, authenticating the Gemini node, mapping JSON fields, and running a manual execution to verify results step by step. Log into Gemini and copy the API key, then paste it into a new credential in n8n with a clear name. Choose the minimal scopes required, like read or write, to reduce risk. Back in your workflow, select that credential on the Gemini node. I will demonstrate testing the authentication and show common error messages and quick fixes for permission or network issues during setup. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes tidying up while you build automations hilariously easy with voice control and smart mapping that frees your hands for n8n setup. I've been impressed with its quiet cleaning and schedule options. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin with a trigger like webhook or schedule, then add the Gemini node to call the model or endpoint you need. Map input data from previous nodes into the Gemini request fields and set output handling for responses. Run manual or test executions to watch the data flow and debug JSON mappings in the execution log. I will cover retry strategies, rate limits, and basic error handling to keep workflows reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.